Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the default account for Notes and what it does on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open Settings, then swipe down and tap on Notes. And here in the default accounts, you can go into and choose between those three. But in my case, in your case, it might be different because first let's go to accounts, and here you can choose between the accounts that you have already added to your iPhone. I did add the Outlook account and Yahoo account. Also, you can add account from Google, from AOA, and as you can see, any others. How to do it, we have another video on our channel, how to add an account to the iPhone, so be pleased to search for that video. But as you can see, we have another accounts right here. If you go into a specific account, for example Outlook, I have the contacts synchronization on and the notes also. So after all of that, if you have another accounts and you have the note synchronization on, for example on Yahoo I have it on too, you can go then to default account of the notes. So now, and from the factory settings, it should be set to iCloud. So it means every time that you are going to compose a new note, it is going to be saved on the iCloud account, but not on the any other that you have on your device, unless you have the synchronization off. But also you can change the default account, for example to Outlook, and from this time, every time I'm going to create a new note, it is going to be saved on the Outlook account, and also it is going to be synchronized with the notes obviously and other accounts. But the default account of creating notes, of saving them and everything, it is going to be Outlook from now on. I'm going to leave it for the iCloud because this was the best for me, but as you can see, here is the option that how you can change your default account of notes on iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!